Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So guys, have you tried the freshly baked chocolate croissant? So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make chocolate croissant. So take your seat and let's make this together. First, I'll start by adding warm milk, warm water to my large mixing bowl. Then I'll go ahead to add some powdered sugar and some instant active yeast. And after that, I will use my whisk to mix together. Then I'll go ahead to wrap it with a cling film and allow it to prove. And 10 minutes later, after I'm done proving my yeast, I'll go ahead to add in my egg white, then followed by my vegetable oil, or you can also use butter. Then I'm going to use my spatula to mix together, and after that I'll go ahead to sieve in my flour. And guys, always make sure you sieve your flour before using to remove any unwanted particles from the flour. And after I'm done sieving in the flour, I'll go ahead to add in some salt to it. After that, I'll use my spatula to stir it and make sure I combine everything together. So this time I'm going to be adding the rest of the flour into my large mixing bowl, and after that I'm going to continue mixing with my spatula until I form a dough. And next I'm going to go ahead to sprinkle some flour on my silicone rolling mat or any flat surface which you are using. Then after that, I will transfer the dough on my silicone rolling mat. Then I will use my both hands to continue kneading it until I get a perfect dough texture for my croissant. After I'm done kneading my dough, I'm going to form a ball shape with my dough. Then I'll place it on my bowl, brush it with some oil, and after that I'm going to wrap it with a cling film, or you can cover with your kitchen towel and allow it to rest and rise for about 2 hours or less than that. 2 hours later, I'm going to unwrap it. Then I'll go ahead to take out the dough from the bowl, then place it on my rolling mat. With the help of my rolling pin, I'm going to flatten the dough. So guys, if you feel like your dough is too much to flatten with your rolling pin at once, you can divide the dough into 2 or into 3 portions if you wish. But for me, I'm going to be flattening everything at the same time, and after that I'm going to spray some oil on it, then use my brush to brush it. So next I'm going to use my pizza cutter to cut out the edges to get a straight edges for my croissant. And after that I'm going to divide the flattened dough into 2 parts. Then I'm going to start cutting it to make like a rectangle shape. After I'm I'm done cutting the dough, I'm going to place some chocolate on the edge of my rectangle shape cut dough. Then I'm going to roll it till the end. You have to keep on repeating the same process until you finish everything. Please, my amazing viewers, do me a favor if you've not subscribed to this channel by clicking on that subscription button on your screen. Subscription is free. Please subscribe, like and share this video, and also join my YouTube membership to become part of this amazing family. So finally, after I'm done rolling the dough with the chocolate inside, I'm going to go ahead to arrange it on my oven rack. Next, I will go ahead to brush the top with some whisk egg yolk. And while taking my time to brush my croissant with some whisk egg, I'll go ahead to turn on my oven and allow it to preheat for about 10 to 15 minutes. So 15 minutes later, I'm going to go ahead to transfer my croissant to my oven and allow it to bake until it's turned golden brown. And after I'm done baking my croissant, I'm going to go ahead to take it out from the oven. Guys, I actually baked this for 25 minutes. So guys, can you see how yummy and delicious my chocolate croissant look like? Can you see how the inside look? See how fluffy and delicious it look? So guys, if you like this recipe, don't forget to leave a comment on the comment section.